Chapter 3. Weird, weak, Howard attack. Kylo Ren sounds like a creative technologist from Norway on LinkedIn. The co-leaders of Cobra's elite troops, the Crimson Twins, are trust fund terrorists. Not wearing masks in public now is the new barebacking. Going to the supermarket without a face mask on gives you a heady rush of freedom, like snorting cocaine in your Vegas hotel room instead of doing blow in a towny bar, only hearing last call from the bathroom stall, asking your bud, "Where's Hunter?" My family got a series of rabies shots because the FBI planted a Chinese cobra bat in our house to take me out for insisting on Twitter China has resisted coronavirus investigations more than Aquafresh. Outside of a cute blonde bartender in Bergen, Norway, who acts like the Oslo Accords giving Palestinians the right to use UN money to build death tunnels so they could kidnap and murder Israeli children, still admits, "I love Obama." Comedy Central executives felt the same way when they re-signed Trevor Noah for the foreseeable future. The Archbishop of New York just said, "The left wing is snotty over my dealings with Trump." Off the record, he tells a reporter at Breitbart, "I never believed in essential abortions for baby boomers until now." My wife says, "The baby gets bored when he spends too much time around me. I always knew he was a quick learner. I have 3 kids. I've aged well. I know." My wife hasn't sucked the life out of my face yet. She says, "I've sacrificed." She acts like an aspiring comedian in his late 20s, wanted kids ever. 3 unplanned kids later, it's safe to say I never mastered the art of the pump fake. 1 kid only means your diaphragm is for walls after all. I stopped smoking weed after I thought my kids were asleep already because it would take forever for me to answer my daughter's questions on the weed. Daughter asks, "Daddy, if God created the universe, then who created God?" Eventually, I say, "God went back in time in a time machine made by Elon Musk." Daughter says, "Real convincing, Dad. Thanks for making me an atheist at 4. But God didn't give me 3 unplanned kids to have a panic attack over it. God never had the same confidence in Pete Davidson, the voice of Generation Z, the boy toy rebound king of Staten Island. But 4 kids would really piss my parents off because it would make them feel less essential, especially after Facebook made baby boomers the laziest, most hands-off grandparent generation of all time. Lifting a finger for baby boomers is liking a picture on Facebook. 4 kids would really piss my parents off. But I'm scared of getting a vasectomy because I don't want my ball sack to feel like Edward Scissorhands' face. According to the Chinese calendar, Bill Gates was born during the year of the 4-eyed snake. His spirit animal can inhale an entire pea protein farm in one bite without getting any vegan mayo on his sweater. How long will social distancing last? You mean sleeping on the other side of your bed from your wife is a new routine all of a sudden? It's not living. Being in the house all the time, having nothing on ESPN but miniseries on the Bulls and Stephen A. Smith debating on First Take, Michael Rappaport's top 5 bit characters of all time. And is it me, or these days, does Michael Rappaport still sound like he's still auditioning for Wigger 3 in the Jump Around video?